Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I wanted to do a collective haul. I have things for the house, I have new clothes, I have new bags, beauty stuff. I just have like a wide range of things that I've been collecting in this room to show y'all, so I'm so excited to get into it. I'll have everything linked down below, including my jewelry, my makeup, all that good stuff. Please follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, number one, I'm so shook at the response I've gotten back from my Temu video. I was not expecting that at all, but I'm really glad y'all liked it because I really did. One thing that I was waiting for arrived literally the day that I published the video, which was very upsetting, but I still had to show you. It's this bag, and I had no idea what the appeal or the obsession in the mom community with these bags was before I became a mom. Actually, I didn't even know it until I started like actively taking Olivia to playgrounds, but moms are like obsessed with the real one. They're like $100 and they're called like BOGO. I don't even know. This was 20 bucks. I was expecting something half this size, but no, it's literally huge. This is going to come in handy so much for beach trips, for the pool, for parks. I'm so excited. It's huge. It's like a Crocs material. Actually, it's like a big Crocs, but in the form or in the shape of a bag. That's the only way I can describe this. I mean, I'm already shook at Temu and a little addicted, not gonna lie, but I cannot believe the price of this. So I got this from Kohl's, out of all places. Let me know if y'all shop there. This was sold out on the Sephora website, but they had it available, and it's actually such a good deal. It's a $109 value for $35. We have this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray that I've been using and I've been enjoying. I still think I am a stan of the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray, but this one is pretty good and I love the size. It's perfect for travel. This I'm obsessed with. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. It's this wax that sets your brows and it's incredible. I'm wearing it on my eyebrows today. This one doesn't leave like a white cast and it works really well. This I'm not super obsessed with, if I'm being honest. I've been really into cream blushes and I don't use a ton of highlight, but the shades are pretty. They're just not particularly my cup of tea. And then a tiny baby of the Sol de Janeiro Beija Flor Elastic Cream. I recently just bought the full size of this. It has a very interesting scent though, so I would highly suggest trying out or going into a store and smelling it before committing to a full size. Then a mini Laura Mercier setting powder. This is always nice to have. A Grande Lash enhancing serum. This will probably last like a month. And this is the star of the show. It's what I'm wearing on my lips today. It's the Too Faced lip injections, but this is the maximum strength. If you don't like lip plumping products, you might not like this, but I love it. I think it really makes your lips pop. It looks like lip injections. Like, my lips look so juicy. It's not a sticky formula. It doesn't really sting. It feels like you ate something spicy, but for like the first few seconds, and then they start looking gorgeous. So I'm really happy with everything I got in this little bag, and it was a great value. You guys, this is so exciting for me, and this is how you know I'm almost 30 years old, because home diffusers excite me, okay? I got an email from those here a few, I want to say months ago, and they told me that they were releasing home fragrances, and I was over the moon ecstatic because I love dossier scents. If you watch my channel, you know this about me. There is a dossier perfume in every single room in my house. I just leave them there because I love the way their scent smells so much. They're the perfect bathroom thing, you know? And then I got it in the mail. Not only are they gorgeous, I mean, I love their traditional packaging. I think it's very sleek and simple, but it still looks really nice. But y'all, they smell just as good, if not better, as their usual fragrances. So the one that I got, they have 6, is the Floral Marshmallow, and I actually do have this fragrance and I've put it on my body and I think it smells incredible. It's perfectly balanced, not too sweet. It really like lingers in the room. I feel like the scent really lasts and it just smells incredible. You can put this in your entryway, you can put this in your living room, anywhere that you want your house to smell good. Like I said, they have 6 different ones. This is just one of them. If you want something a little more cozy, you can go for the ambery vanilla. If you want something a little more bright, you can go for this one. They also have floral ones. I think they have something for every taste, and those here always does free returns. So I highly recommend checking out their home fragrance line because it smells incredible, and hopefully my discount code works on that. They're $34. Like I said, they really last. 22%, which is so much, especially if you have pets. If you want, you know, your guests to like go into your house and say, oh my god, what is that smell? It smells amazing. Highly suggest checking out those here. I am a huge fan. I think this is such a good product. I mentioned this earlier in the year, but I only purchase from Anthropologie when they have a sale, and they've been having the most incredible sales. I don't know if it's like the end of season or what, but they have like 40% off on top of sale and all this amazing stuff. So I got a ton of my save for later items. First thing I got is this jug for olive oil, for vinegar, for things like that. They just look incredible in the kitchen, and I love the size and the look of this one. It's very rustic and cool. This one, that is this lilac color, it looks a little more understated and muted like on camera, but it's actually like a pretty vibrant lilac, and it's so pretty. I got them for like 70% off, which is crazy. Have so many of their towel collection pieces, so I thought it was perfect for like hosting in the summer. I love the butterflies, but they also have a more neutral one. I think this is gonna be one of those like heirloom items that I save for Olivia when she like moves out and has her own home, just because everything's so nice and beautiful. I got another of the salt and pepper set because I have the neutral one, but the butterfly one is just so perfect for spring and summer, and I just love the colors. I like my kitchen to be pretty neutral, but I love adding little pops of spring and summer and color like this. And then for the rest of the year, when I want something more neutral, I have the black and gold, which I got the fromage. I really can't speak French, as y'all know. My dad actually speaks French, so he would not be proud of me for not knowing how to pronounce that, considering I am obsessed with cheese. I thought this would be so fun to have for like parties, or just doing like a little cheese platter for when people come over, and it's such a nice size. I got it on super sale, and I think this would be really nice for Mother's Day. I need to start reviewing my new bags again because I have so many. I've been doing unboxings over on TikTok, so definitely check that out if you haven't already. But I decided to get the pink version of this bag. I already have the nude and black, and I really love it. I think it's very unique. It goes with everything. It's so classy, and it's beautiful. But when I saw the pink one, you already know I had to grab it, and it's so pretty. I love the shade of pink. I think it's like very feminine, and it just looks really nice with a ton of different colors and outfits. I've been wearing it a ton. I love wearing it with like white as like a pop of color. It looks good with denim. I just really love the color of this bag. I will say it was pretty affordable, so I was not surprised when I saw that the chain was a little brassy. But if you've never seen this bag, let me open it. It opens up like so. And it actually, what's in there? Oh, of course, a bow. It opens up like so, and it fits surprisingly more than you would think it fits. I mean, my phone fits in here. I think I've taken my camera. I can't remember where we took Olivia that I brought this with. I think the zoo or the rodeo. But anyway, it's really nice and spacious, and it just looks cool. I can't really explain it. I can either grab it with the handle or as a crossbody, and it has these tags. I don't really know what else to call them, but one of them has the logo. Isn't that cute? I love it. If I were to just have one, I would probably stick to a neutral, just because you can wear it with everything. But the pink one, I found that I can also get away with wearing a ton. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. I thought this was really pretty, and it gives me Love Shack fancy vibes. And I like how this is smocked, and then it has a tiered skirt. If you watch my trying on everything in my closet video, I said so many times like, oh, this would be perfect when I'm pregnant again, and I need to stop thinking like that, because then my whole closet is gonna be like potentially things that I will wear when I'm pregnant. But I could wear this now, which is the point. And then this would be really pretty for like a baby shower or gender reveal, or even like someone else's baby shower or bridal shower. This is by Blank NYC, which is a really pricey denim brand, and just a denim romper. I think this is so cool. I love an easy denim romper. They're like one of my go-to things for travel and for like the hot weather. I think they're just like one and done, and they look good with sneakers. They look good kind of more dressed up. and I love me some denim. And this one, I really love the colors. I think this is really fun. This would be a cute like brunch casual day dress, or I could always like dress it up with wedges or something. I like how it's like kind of flowy, the waistband is nice and stretchy, and I love me a colorful maxi dress. And this one was pretty inexpensive. It's Able the Label, which is funny because it rhymes, and it's a size extra small, and this was like 24 bucks. But this one was a little overpriced, so I would love to get y'all's opinion to see if I return it. So I love the print. I actually love the fit, even though it's not flattering. I really like the little like flouncy sleeves, if you can even call it that, and then it just goes down into a long maxi. This is House of Harlow, and it's a size extra small, but this is $59.99. So please tell me what you think when you see it on me. Should I return it or should I keep it? I mentioned this in my previous video, but I am loving trucker hats and hats with like embroidery on them. I think they're really cool and really nice for the summer. So the first one that I got is this one. This one says, what does it say? Giddy Up Buttercup. And it has a little cowboy hat and boot. I like the color of this, but I don't technically love the mesh. I still have the tags because I don't know if I should return it. I was waiting to get some inside scoop from y'all. I think it looks really cool. It would be fun for like the beach or the pool in the summer, but I just don't know if like this is technically my style. So let me know what you guys think. And then the other one, oh god, no, I'm gonna have hat hair, is this one. This one is just a beige hat, and it says Monaco Sailing Club embroidered on there. I don't know, I kind of like the red detailing, but it's still neutral. I think it looks good with my hair. Let me know which one I should keep or if I should return them both. That was a bad idea because now my hair is all messed up. So guys, that's everything for today's video. I always love doing these kind of like random collective hauls just to share some of my recent purchases. For the most part, I get like a lot of questions like, where's that from? Where's that from? So I like these to have everything in one place so I can link it and y'all can see my thoughts on the things that I've been buying lately. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Dosier's new home diffuser line. I highly recommend. I mean, I already swear by Dosier. I recommend it to everyone I know and to y'all every single month. But this is such a game changer, and I'm so excited for my whole house to smell like Dosier. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.